In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop ExpressVPN from running in the background. By default, ExpressVPN is designed to launch when your device starts and continue running quietly in the background, even after you disconnect. That means some services may still stay active, which can use system resources, affect battery life, or sometimes interfere with local network activities. So in this guide, I'll walk you through how to fully shut it down and stop it from automatically relaunching. First, on any desktop computer, open the ExpressVPN app. In the top left corner, click the menu icon with the three horizontal lines. From there, choose Options on Windows or Preferences on Mac OS. Make sure you're on the General tab, then look for the setting called Launch ExpressVPN on startup. Uncheck that box and click OK or Apply to save the change. This prevents the app from opening automatically the next time your computer starts. If you're on Windows, simply closing the window is not enough because that usually just minimizes the app to the system tray. Instead, go to the bottom right corner of your taskbar and look for the ExpressVPN icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small upward arrow to reveal hidden icons. Right-click the ExpressVPN icon and select Quit ExpressVPN. If you still suspect background processes are running, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If needed, click More Details, then look through the Apps or Background Processes list for anything related to ExpressVPN, such as ExpressVPN or ExpressVPN Notification Service. Select it and click End Task. On Mac OS, closing the window also doesn't fully quit the app. Look at the top right of your screen in the menu bar. Click the ExpressVPN icon and choose Quit ExpressVPN. You can also use Command and Q while the app is active. To remove any remaining processes, open Spotlight with Command and space, type Activity Monitor, and press Enter. Search for ExpressVPN, select any related tasks you find, click the stop icon, and choose Force Quit. On Android, open Settings, then go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap See All Apps or Manage Apps, find ExpressVPN, and open its app info page. Tap Force Stop and Confirm. Then open the Battery or Battery Usage section and set it to Restricted so Android limits background activity. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings, go to General, then Background App, refresh. Find ExpressVPN in the list and turn that switch off. After that, open the app switcher and swipe the ExpressVPN app away to fully close it. Finally, verify that ExpressVPN is no longer active. Open a private or incognito browser window. Visit the ExpressVPN IP check page and confirm that the status shows your connection is not protected and that your real IP and location appear. That tells you ExpressVPN has fully stopped running in the background.